I designed this 3D printed mid-century modern monitor stand to correct the height that I was viewing my monitor at, and to sate the longing in my heart for a long dead past that never existed, which is the mid-century modern style. My monitor arrangement isn't ideal, and I think, maybe it's causing this hump to get bigger. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully I'll be building a monitor stand that is at the correct height, and supposedly, according to some quick research on the internet, that should be at eye level with the top of the monitor. So my monitor should be, its top should be directly at my eyes. And I always assumed it was in the middle somewhere, that you'd be trying to hit the midpoint of your monitor. But according to someone on the internet, you're supposed to be aligned to the top of your monitor. I first started by popping into Midjourney, which is a really good tool for brainstorming. And fortunately, they stole all those artists' work and agglomerated it into a nice tool that I can figure out my initial ideas in. Some of the ideas look more functional than others. I printed a mock-up so that I could, just without using that much material, test out what the feeling of the object would look like. And even if it ends up looking like hot garbage, it will at least be my hot garbage. I feel like this could definitely help people who are my exact height, have my exact proportions, and my exact desk, and the people who are exactly like me. If you want this monitor stand, I will be providing the STLs on my Patreon, and that is when I set up my Patreon, whenever that is. Maybe it'll be in the about description below this video, and maybe it won't, because I haven't really set that up yet. So far, now that I've made this, it beats the swinging arm that I had previously. It beats the books on top of each other like a big Jenga tower. And it beats the just believe in yourself method of holding yourself in exactly the right place. I want to thank the team that helped me make this, Adrian Perez, me, and for all the team's hard work, and for finally getting this video out the door. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I will be making more videos that have more to do with robots and mechanical design, and this was kind of my trying out making a not crap video. I'm hoping in about 30 days, the hump on my back will be gone, and my posture will be much better just from having the monitor in the right place. Thanks for watching, and be easy on yourself.